Hello my friends, today I have here the tool which I was going to buy for a very long time and at least I have got this from USA. This is a swivel socket set or universal socket set mixed of 3/8 and quarter-inch drive sockets. These are tamper-proof Torx sockets which is made by Gearwrench. Here you can see the part number, also the other specifications, and this tool set is made in Taiwan. Also, I like this socket rail very much, green plastic, but enough heavy duty to keep the sockets very uh, secured on it, and the attachments are also very good. So the smallest one here we can see is T10 or T8, and the biggest one is T55. Here you can see. Um, Four of the sockets are 3/8 drive, and the others are uh, quarter-inch drive. In overall, we have 11 piece here. The smallest one is a regular Torx, does not have this hole on it. What can I say about this tool, guys? To be honest, I am highly motivated to pick every universal sockets available there. Half-inch, 3/8 drive, a quarter-inch, Torx, hex, and others, because I know that these are time savers. Directly, if we look on this tool, this is made very good. Here you can see the attachment points which are secured with the bolts, and I see that it is applied with Loctite to save it from removing, and it is very good. To continue my speaking, these are time savers because there is often situation when you simply must use this type of sockets on the modern cars especially. That's why I already have here in my garage a regular 6-point 3/8 drive, quarter-inch drive, e-Torx quarter-inch drive, and this tamper-proof Torx 3/8 and quarter-inch drive universal sockets. I think that in the future I will add also quarter-inch hex universal sockets and half-inch 6-point universal ones, and this will complete my time saver tool collection. So let's call so guys, now let's compare regular socket and see the main reasons I bought this Gearwrench set. This is T30, and this is also a universal not 30, T40 regular and universal T40. And let's compare the lengths. Okay, universal is longer, but if we want to make it swiveling, I mean this regular socket, then we must put it on the universal joint adapter. And with the universal joint adapter, if we compare now the two constructions, we can see that the Gearwrench one is stubby. At least it is longer, not less than 1 centimeter, and I think this is very good. Also, if we put this Matador 3/8 drive T40 socket on the this type of swivel joint, here you can see that it will be also longer than Gearwrench one. So guys, there is not one rule. You must own both of them. Who knows where you will need one of another. Now let's put this lovely gear wrench on the Facom 3/8 drive ratchet, and this is very good construction. Everything swivels and you are free to work in the tight areas with no effort, and save your time and work with pleasure. So my friends, I recommend this set to anyone. Check online prices. They are available very often from $40 to $51 with free shipping, and if you will find this less than $45, you are lucky. This is not promotion, but I recommend this set. I think this is not only for hobby mechanic, this is, let's say, professional stuff, and if you are in the USA, this is also guaranteed with lifetime. Also, here will be the same story with the quarter-inch drive sockets. This is Aturn quarter-inch Torx socket on the universal joint, and if we compare it to the Gearwrench one, here Gearwrench is also shorter. Shorter means more. It means that it is more suitable for underhood department and other stuffs where the place is restricted, and they are enough strong to hold the forces also, guys. Here is my Gearwrench quarter-inch socket, quarter-inch drive 84 tooth ratchet. Let's attach this socket on it, and construction we get here is also very good. So my friends, let's conclude here, make conclusion about the set. I like it because it is quality, it is not expensive, and it includes every size you will ever need working on the European cars. So check online, and who knows, you will lucky to obtain it with very good price. Hope you enjoy the video. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Goodbye, my friends.